Hi friends, good morning. Today it is 15/11/2025 and the time is roughly around 10:30 and phenomenal victory in Bihar and the next one is our market is not ready to give up even though that from 14th there will be a fall in the market. US market, BTC, USD all started cracking, but our market is still intact and the date which we need to watch out for was 11th November, which is very crucial, and the 10th November candle is inside the 11th November candle, so you don't need to worry about it till it holds 11th November candle. And last week more or less it's equal to the previous week, so nothing much happened, but anyway we'll go and check what happened in the market. Okay, so now let's take okay. So now, nothing to worry about it. Bank Nifty is closed above the 20 SMA, so you don't need to worry about it. And the market is still intact and more or less last week high somewhere here. So that is where market is also stabilizing here. So let's see what it's going to do. So till it holds 20 SMA, you don't need to worry about the market. And now let's come to Pitchfork. Again, this is what we said. It has to hold this green color line last week. As of now, it is holding. Anything below this, then the problem will start. But the candle which we need to watch out for is the 11th November candle, which is very crucial for the market. And coming to Ichimoku, last time we said nothing to worry about it. As of now, Ichimoku. So now it is more or less maybe what it says, maybe after 21st of November, possibility of a movement on the higher side, because now it is consolidating. Predominantly, the move will come after 21st of November. And last time we said because of the POB, this is the stop loss and none of the candle closed below the stop loss. So the trend is still intact based on the POB. So the target based on the POB or 28 once it closes above again here, the target is 26,830, 27,604 and 28,797 based on what happened from this high to this low. Okay. Now let's go to Fibo. So last time we said, this is the crucial area. Based on this low to this high, this is the 50% retracement. Exactly, it took the 50% retracement at 25,349, and from there it started moving up. And let's see whether it is going to cross this high and it is going to give a bigger momentum on the higher side. So now let's come to Bank Nifty. Again, nothing to worry about it. It is closed above the 20 SMA, looking extremely good. So nothing to worry about it. And here it gave a fake G cell. And from there only the market made the bottomed out. Market made the bottom, and from there it started moving up. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, based on the rounding pattern, this is what it says. The target is roughly around 61,687. Until it holds, this breakout point, you don't need to worry about it. But we clearly said, the POB number, which is very crucial for the market, is 58,588. Okay, but it is again, it got rejected here, came down again, it went back, rejected here. Now it is exactly at the point. So now, even if you take the rounding pattern, we need to watch it whether it is going to close above. But any close above this number decisively on the higher side, the targets are open. We already talked about this target 1 month before. These are all the target which you can expect in Bank Nifty. And this is high positional, not for intraday and all that. This is high positional. So 61,100 and then 63,500 and 73,200. If any candle closes above this 58,585. Even yesterday it went very near to that number and it missed by roughly around 500 points. But here this candle clearly went and touched that number and it closed below. So now watch out for this number, 58,585. Now let's come to Fibo. Based on the Fibo, nothing to worry about it. And these are all the targets based on the Gann angle prediction. So now first target is this, which is actually achieved. Now this is the second target, third target, and fourth target based on the Gann angle projections. Okay. So now let's come to the market. So now if you take Nifty, we reversed our position somewhere here, and then we closed most of the position yesterday because of this event. Again, suddenly there was a move in the last 15 minutes time. So as of now, there is fake sell here. So nothing to worry about it when it comes to fake sell. It is holding that number more or less, and it is a very small resistance here on the top. Let's see whether it is going to do well. But when it comes to Bank Nifty, it is there is no sell till now, so it is looking extremely good. So nothing to worry about in when it comes to Bank Nifty. So Nifty is a little bit of resistance. We need to see what it going to do tomorrow. And coming to the PPT. So now this is the very crucial day, which is yesterday, WDC day, which we call that. Normally this candle high and low will decide the market for the entire month. If it holds this low, possibility that market will go up. If it makes, let's say this is going to be the top, the market will make a top and it will start coming down. So yesterday is a very crucial area, but when it comes to Astro, this candle is the powerful candle which you need to observe. Okay, which you need to observe. And then again, we have 19th and 20th and 22nd are the coming, time cycle date, which we talk about, we will talk about in the next week. And then the number, again, it is really struggling here. It is not able to close above this number. So watch out for this number on a monthly perspective, and I will try to give the weekly perspective tomorrow morning. This number I will give you tomorrow morning. Now let's come to the little GAN. So now this is our monthly number, and last time mid cap it went and touched this number, and from there only it came down. So this is the range calculation for the monthly. So now once it closed above, this is going to be extremely bullish, extremely bullish. So concentrate on mid cap. Mid cap is doing extremely well when compared to any other indices. So even for intraday or swing or positional, concentrate on mid cap. Any close above this, it is going to give a higher momentum, because if you take other indices, it is not able to cross these monthly number, but only mid cap it went and touched that number exactly, and from there it came down a little bit. So now this is the weekly number, high range and the low range for the weekly number. So watch out for these numbers in the coming week. And again, it closed above the 11th candle high, so no need to worry about it. Yesterday, Bank Nifty again converged, but if you see in this month, I think twice it got converged, but till now it has not given 750 points in a single day. So possibility that we may expect 750 points in a single day in the next 2 days time, which is 17th or even 18th. Okay. So WDC day, which we already talked about, and this is the Monday candle, timing candle. And again, last time I gave for the introduction people that this candle will dictate, the Bank Nifty, and this candle is valid for 9 days. So now it closed above this candle. So whenever it comes and again touches this candle, you can take a entry by keeping a stop loss of, the 1045 to 1045 to 10, because another, intraday timing is combined with this timing. So that's why I said 1045 to 1055 candle. And you can, keep this candle as a reference point to trade for the next 9 days. It is valid for 9 days. Till it is above, it is bullish. Till it is below, it is bearish. Whenever it comes back and touches this candle, you can again take the entry. Yesterday, it has not given an entry. Once it broke suddenly at 3 o'clock, it has not given an entry. So twice the stop loss got hit, but no problem. Again, this is valid for the next 9 days. Use it wisely. Use it wisely. Okay. So now let's come to the number point. And as of now, there is nothing to worry about it. All the numbers are in blue. So till it holds the lowest number, which is the lowest number somewhere here, or more or less these three are coming into convergence. So till it holds this three numbers, we don't need to worry about Nifty futures at all for this month. Okay. And the targets I've given here for the spot, you can use it. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty numbers converge. So now if you take the lowest number is somewhere here. So till Bank Nifty holds this number on a daily closing basis, the Bank Nifty is bullish. The Bank Nifty is bullish. This is a monthly number. Anyway, it is holding this number. Nothing to worry about it. But for the weekly perspective or a daily perspective, you need to watch this particular number, because this is the lowest number in these number. So till it holds this number, until this number is in blue, it is bullish. bullish, bullish. There is no question of bearishness. Once it closed below this number, we will definitely go for a short position. Okay. So now this is our Bank Nifty spot numbers. So kindly use it. Okay. That's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See you soon on Monday morning. Thank you.